Some people requested some reshoots because I'm bad at videography. That's extra butcher block I had. I sealed it with epoxy. There's a cable on the other side I didn't hang. It's a 5-window Chevy 3500. All the shelves in here were made out of 2x2s and free pallet wood. This is a 20-seater that had 20 captain's chairs. Big drawer. IKEA cabinets. Small bar sink. Norcold 3150 refrigerator. Runs on 3 different types of electricity. Got the air conditioner working. There's the captain's chairs. That was the second set. They stayed in place with their original seat belts. The first set I just turned around and faced the second set and reattached the seat belts. Table I made. The bottom of it looks bad, but here's how you hang it. Centered it between the seats and not the window. I made some of my own very cheap screens. Queen size bed, pallet wood headboard, small drawers, very huge drawer under the bed for storage. 360-degree privacy curtain around the bed. So there's a little space to jump up in there, which you need to learn. The fridge is a little bit too big, but that's good for camping. Oh, left some Kool-Aid in there. Scrabble wood floor covered in epoxy. 9,880 tiles. Privacy curtain goes across the front. I did not do one for the windows just because I really hadn't gotten there, but those are all, that's from IKEA too, all that's set up, even the knives. I didn't run electrical yet really to the bus. I just hid some extension cords all over the place, and then I have 2 extension cords that extend out of the bus. Small gray water tank, 10 gallons under the bed. I only use this sink for washing hands and some dishes.